Hey guys, what's up? I am doing my triple upload today for Madden and my main account, which has 35. Want to click it? We have 35 mystery boxes. So on my bench we have a 99, which you probably cannot see. But yeah, we have 99s all over the place. 97s, 93s, yeah. And
they don't even hand out the full pack collectibles anymore.
Just be quiet. And right now, I have a lot of packs in my team, but I'm just going to finish up the last couple Easter packs that I can do. And looks like we're not done doing. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you guys. I'm a new member of the FaZe clan. They called me up today. They're like, yo, I know how good you are at COD and CSGO. Want to be a member? And I was like, sure. So I decided. Oh, mystery box. So today is going to be my last Madden Mobile video until all the mystery boxes come out. It should be okay. So, how's everyone's Easter? Let me know in the comment section below. Oh! 2 elites. Charles Leno Jr., AQ Shipley 93, and 2 more gold eggs. Okay, you're not gonna get in a league with a lot of good players. I have Tyler Eifert and Richard Sherman Josh, so honestly. Probably not gonna get anything again. And I'm pretty right about that. Two Easter eggs, and I get a treasure chest. I'm 5'7", okay. And the next one is nothing. So recently I joined FaZe. I already told you about, but I'll be going over to FaZe Rug's house tomorrow and playing a lot of COD and CS:GO. Another mystery box. This one goes on 4:30, so that's pretty lit.
So that's in 5 days.
This is the last pack of the opening. And I'll probably be doing some elite Easter players. Yeah, so that's what I'm going to be doing next. So I'm back, and I will be doing some Easter players, even though I've already completed Night Train Lane and the Egg of Power game plan. Right there, I just got a 94 Blake Bortles. Oh, 94 middle linebacker. And the last one that we'll be doing, 93 center. That's pretty bad. So I'm just gonna keep on doing this so I can get some more, and yeah. So here we go. We still get some trash. Are you kidding me? Let's see. Last pack that we want.
Keep checking in.
Oh my word. Well, that's all that I can open for now. So, I'll be doing the last part of this opening, and we'll see you then. Okay, so now for the last part of the opening. There's a 99 Nitrate Lane, there's a 97 Clint Dix, 96, 95. So we got these 2 trophy packs, 10 trophy packs, collectibles, gold packs, that's for golden tickets. And last packs are the golden egg packs. So I will see you guys when I get my next mystery box. So I will see you guys later. Peace. Oh, I just realized. Let's see what we can get out of this one. What? An elite Easter player?
Out of what?
What?
Out of what, an egg?
Oh my. Yeah, no, it was out of an egg too. A regular egg. I don't even know how that's possible. So, still haven't pulled a mystery box yet. I've opened about 10 packs or so. Oh, there we go. First one. When does it reveal? It reveals 5/14. So, that's good. Oh, 2 in a row. It reveals 4:30. You know, let's see if we can get 3 in a row. No. See you guys later. Alright, here we go. Another mystery box. Reveals on 5/7. Good job, Caleb.